The Leica Q series has always captivated photographers, sparking debates on whether to buy the current model or wait for the next release. This conversation is growing louder as attention shifts from the well-regarded Q3 to the highly anticipated Q4. Leica has historically followed a 4-year release pattern, but with rapid technological advances and increased competition, rumors suggest the Q4 might arrive sooner than expected. If so, it could be one of the most exciting camera launches in recent Leica history. The original Leica Q, launched in 2015, transformed the compact full-frame camera market. Leica combined its iconic craftsmanship with modern technology, pairing a full-frame sensor with a fixed 28mm lens. This unconventional design emphasized simplicity and precision over interchangeable lens versatility, yet delivered remarkable image quality and the unmistakable Leica aesthetic in a portable, elegant body. Professionals and enthusiasts quickly embraced it as a camera that offered freedom and performance without compromise. Building on this success, the Q2 arrived in 2019 with a 47-megapixel sensor, enhanced weather sealing, and refined ergonomics for greater comfort during extended shoots. Leica demonstrated that incremental improvements could elevate the experience while retaining the original's charm. In 2023, the Q3 pushed the boundaries further with a 60-megapixel backside illuminated sensor, phase detection autofocus, and 8K video recording. It blurred the lines between stills and video, appealing to hybrid creators who demanded both traditional Leica craftsmanship and modern versatility in a compact body. Now all eyes are on the rumored Q4, with expectations higher than ever. Leica has typically favored subtle refinement over dramatic redesign, but the competitive market may push the Q4 toward bolder innovation. Early leaks suggest a stacked CMOS sensor, a major technological leap that could improve readout speeds, dynamic range, and reduce rolling shutter. This would position the Q4 alongside top-tier mirrorless cameras from brands like Sony and Canon, while maintaining Leica's signature tactile feel and elegant design. This new sensor could also elevate video and autofocus performance. Faster processing would allow smoother video, reduced lag, and quicker, more reliable focusing. AI-powered subject recognition, advanced eye and animal tracking, and predictive autofocus algorithms may make the Q4 highly versatile for fast-moving action, street photography, and professional scenarios that demand precision and speed. These features could transform the camera into a true hybrid powerhouse, serving both photographers and videographers. Video is another area where the Q4 could excel. The Q3's 8K video impressed many, but long sessions were limited by overheating. The Q4 could address this with improved thermal management, enabling extended shooting without interruption. Higher frame rate 4K slow motion capture may also be included, making the camera a versatile tool for cinematic work. Paired with Leica's timeless design and compact form, the Q4 could rival larger systems like Sony's FX3 or Canon's R5 while remaining portable and elegant. Low-light performance is expected to see improvements as well. The 28mm f/1.7 Summilux lens already excels in dim environments, but combined with the new sensor and upgraded processing, the camera could deliver cleaner high ISO images, richer shadows, and more accurate color reproduction. This would make the Q4 a reliable tool for street, travel, and documentary photographers who often work in challenging or unpredictable lighting conditions. Design refinements are likely to be subtle but impactful. A deeper grip, lighter materials, and improved button placement could enhance comfort during long sessions, making the camera feel like a natural extension of the photographer. These small changes could improve usability and handling without compromising Leica's minimalist and refined aesthetic. The electronic viewfinder may see a significant upgrade as well. While the Q3's 5.76mm DVF was impressive, the Q4 could feature a 9.44mm display with a faster refresh rate, providing a near-lag-free, immersive experience for framing and manual focus. The rear display may evolve from a tilting screen to a fully articulating one, catering to vloggers and content creators who need flexibility for low-angle or self-recorded shots. Improved touchscreen responsiveness, smoother menus, and intuitive navigation could further enhance the user experience. Connectivity is another likely focus. Faster Wi-Fi, more stable Bluetooth, and better integration with Leica apps could enable instant file transfers, remote operation, and streamlined workflows in both studio and field environments. Enhanced tethering options could benefit professionals who require immediate previews and reliable collaboration during shoots. Timing and pricing remain the big questions. Based on Leica's previous pattern, the Q4 would be expected around 2027, but insiders speculate the launch could happen as early as late 2026. Pricing is anticipated to reflect Leica's premium positioning, with the Q3 having launched at $5,995. The Q4, with rumored advancements, could exceed $6,500, potentially approaching $7,000. For Leica buyers, the value goes beyond specifications, encompassing craftsmanship, heritage, and the unmatched shooting experience the brand delivers. If these rumors are accurate, the Q4 could redefine the compact full-frame camera category. Combining a stack sensor, AI-powered autofocus, improved stabilization, advanced video features, and refined ergonomics, it could become one of the most versatile and desirable cameras ever produced. It would appeal to traditionalists valuing simplicity and control, as well as modern creators seeking performance, speed, and adaptability in a compact, elegant form. Excitement for the Q4 is already building globally. Leica has consistently blended precision engineering with artistic vision, and the Q4 appears poised to continue that legacy. Whether it launches on schedule or earlier, one thing is clear. The Leica Q4 will not just be another incremental update. It could mark a defining moment in the evolution of compact full-frame photography, reaffirming Leica's position as a leader in innovation, design, and craftsmanship.